So in this video, I just wanted to show the danger of pulling LED strips off a wall directly, without taking much care. As you can see here in the short stretch of LEDs, there is a very large variation between which parts work and which parts don't. And remember, this is just a 30 centimeter or so strip. Over a 5-meter reel, you'll have a lot of this, and unless the LED strip is indirectly illuminating something, this will be very visible. Even then, when it's indirectly illuminating, it can be still quite visible. What happened here was it was improperly installed, I'm told, and it had to be ripped off the wall. See, there's no tape, and the glue is all sticky, and yeah, it was used. So what happens when you do this is you bend the LED strip excessively, and you put a lot of force on the very thin PCB, which is here. And so by doing this, what you do is you introduce metal fracturing or metal fatigue to the PCB, and it craps out like this, and then this is no longer usable. Another reason for this could be faulty resistors, or resistors that got desoldered, or maybe even LEDs that got unsoldered or had their solder connections broken. This often happens because when you bend this extremely, the resistor may have its connection broken or something, or even the LEDs may fall off or have one of the connections broken. Oftentimes, the problem with resistors is that they're soldered with very little solder, but they're usually quite easy to remove and they fall out, especially if they're quite warm and heated up. So that is a danger that you should avoid. So basically the message is, don't pull LEDs, especially RGB LEDs, from walls, because they won't work after that, so you may as well leave them there. And if they do work, it's quite ugly, because I don't know if you can see this on the video, but it's really ugly. The variation between the colors is very clear, and you may not even be able to hide it with indirect lighting. So if you light it here, light this area here, you may still see it. So yeah, that is the danger with pulling LEDs off the wall.